Hey, how is it going? Today I'll show you how to set up this new, great, and most importantly free adult app to your Amazon Fire TV stick. Let's see how you can set it up. First of all, you have to get an app called Downloader, and there is a really high chance that you already have it on your device. So if that's the case, then just skip to the next part of the video. But if you don't have Downloader yet, or you're not sure how to properly use it or set it up, then watch this part of the video as well. So you can get Downloader for free from the official Amazon App Store. Just go to search by clicking on that gear icon right here. Then you click on the search bar and start typing Downloader. As you can see, it already popped out here for me at the bottom. If it didn't in your case, then just type in the whole name of the app, which is once again Downloader. Then you click on the app, and here's the app which we need to download. But that's not it, we also have to set it up. To do so, we'll go to Settings by clicking on that gear icon. Then we scroll a bit to the bottom, click on My Fire TV, and here you have to enable developer options, but also there's a chance that developer options are hidden for you by default, especially if you're using a newer Firestick or Fire TV Cube device. So if you cannot find the developer options, no worries, it's really easy to make them appear. So if you cannot find the developer options, no worries, it's really easy to make them appear. Just click on About, select Fire TV Stick, and then click on the middle button of your remote for 7 times, and do it fast. So let's do it. As you can see now at the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you just go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Click on them, make sure to enable ADB debugging here, then you go to install unknown apps, and make sure to enable that option for Downloader as well. So what it does, it allows us to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily from the official Amazon App Store. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now we got the Downloader set up and ready to use here among our applications. But before actually using the Downloader, there is one more thing which I really recommend doing. To be transparent, it's not mandatory, but I really recommend doing it. It's of course connecting to a VPN. There's a lot of different VPNs out there, but I do recommend NordVPN because they're fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks and other devices as well, such as your mobile phones, your laptop, PC, or any other device. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. So what a VPN does, it hides all the things that you do online. So your landlord or your internet provider will not be able to tell what apps, what websites you're accessing online. And that really comes in handy, especially if you're accessing adult apps, like we're going to today. NordVPN is also great for blocking apps, blocking malware, especially when downloading files, and accessing geo-blocked content. So if some content is not available in your country, you can just open VPN, connect to a different location, and you will be able to access that content now. So if you want to get a VPN, you can use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video. If you use my link, you'll get 1 month of NordVPN totally for free, which is a great deal. Once again, using a VPN is not mandatory, but it's a big plus if you don't want your internet provider or your landlord to know what you're doing. After we got the VPN connected and set up, let's open the Downloader. Here in the search bar, you have to type a code, which is going to be 28907. So once again, it's 28907, and then you press on Go. Then a website will open, and you have to scroll down a bit until you see a list of categories. So here's the list, and that's the category which we need to click on. Then a list of applications is going to open, and here's the one which we need to click on. If you see any ad here, make sure to click on Close, because if you click on Open, it's going to mess everything up for you. So make sure to click Close. Then a new web page is going to open, which we also have to scroll down. Keep scrolling until you see that little download button. If for some reason it doesn't work, you can always use the backup download link. And now the download has started, and usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your internet connection speed. Here you just need to click on Install in the right bottom corner, and then after the app is installed, do not click on Open yet, instead press on Done. And we are doing it this way so we could delete the installation file, because you don't need it anymore, but it clogs the memory of your Fire TV Stick device, so make sure to always delete installation files after the app is already installed. Click on Delete and delete once again. Then if you go to the list of apps on your device, you will find the new adult app for your Firestick. And also one more thing, before actually using the app, I also recommend setting a mouse toggle application. So what it basically does, it allows you to use a mouse cursor on any application, be it a streaming app, media app, adult app, or any other app. And it's going to make your experience with some apps way better and way easier, as otherwise without the mouse toggle you might be unable to access some media files or some settings of the applications. I do have a full tutorial on how you can set up a mouse toggle for your Firestick, and I'll of course make sure to leave a link for it in the description of the video. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Good luck!